Hello, my name is Lensa. My sign name, that's my sign name. Welcome to today's class. So today we will learn, our sign language class will be learning which topic? Numbers, or that's how we sign numbers. So we begin. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, or 1K. 2,000, 3,000, so you'll just be doing that. 10,000 or 10K. 1 million, 1 billion, 1 trillion. Oh, so we have learned. Let us practice together the numbers that we have learned. What was that number? That was 44. And that was 1 million. And that was 2025. And what was that? Did you figure out? That was 100. Thank you so much. Bye.